As busy as a bee describes someone who is very active and productive. To chase rainbows means to pursue unrealistic or unattainable goals. To be a breath of fresh air refers to someone or something that brings new ideas or a refreshing change. To be in the doldrums means to be in a state of stagnation or lack of progress. To weather the storm indicates the ability to endure and overcome difficult times. To be as free as a bird signifies a sense of freedom and independence. To be a drop in the ocean signifies being a small and insignificant part of a larger whole. To go against the grain means to act or think in a way that is contrary to the usual or expected. To let nature take its course refers to allowing events to unfold naturally without interference or intervention. To be on cloud nine means to be extremely happy or elated.